Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 380, Claims Mapping. If you are following the best practice of using an external identity provider for your Power Pages site, it is common that when the user registers with the IDP, they provide information that you also want stored in Dataverse, like email or name. In this tip, we'll look at how, if you are using OpenID Connect, you can share that information between the IDP and Dataverse without the user having to enter the data twice. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. When you set up the registration experience on the IDP side of things, you can typically configure it to capture information like email address or first and last name. If a user has entered that information as part of the IDP signup, we don't want them to have to enter it again once we've signed into Power Pages for the first time. If you are using OpenID Connect, we can use claims mapping to achieve this. When a user signs into the OpenID Connect IDP and are redirected over to Power Pages, a token is passed from the IDP to Power Pages. This token includes data about the users in the form of claims. In addition to the base information required for proper sign-in, you can choose to include extra claims within this token that can then be saved to Dataverse. The claims mapping settings available when configuring an OpenID Connect Identity Provider within the Power Pages Design Studio is how you configure this. Provide a comma-delimited list of mappings. The mappings are in the form of the name of the column in Dataverse, then an equal sign, and then the name of the claim. With those settings configured, when a user registers or logs in, information from the identity provider is saved to the user's contact record in Dataverse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 380 on claims mapping useful.